The Automation Success Platform uses ChatGPT to quickly resolve a customer issue. Alan, the customer, experienced an unauthorized access to his bank account, and he immediately sent an email complaint to his bank to express his displeasure with their service. Financial institutions have a regulatory responsibility to report complaints made by a client to a financial advisor. This is just one of thousands of emails that clients send to their institutions every day. Because of the sheer volume of communication between clients and advisors, manually reviewing all this content to identify complaints is a very expensive, slow, and error-prone process. But by using the Automation Success Platform with ChatGPT, organizations can quickly review thousands of emails to check for complaints and generate complete and personalized responses in minutes. Let's see how this works. Here is the automation using ChatGPT, which understands the email and takes the appropriate action. Let's run the automation. ChatGPT is being used to detect the presence of complaints in incoming client emails. A complaint was detected in the current email it is evaluating, and the automation responds by taking the following actions. First, it logs the complaint information, including complaint text, advisor details, client information, and more, in a database for further tracking and quarterly reporting. Then, it creates an incident report in ServiceNow containing all the details, impact assessment, and incident priority so that the incident can be investigated and resolved. Then, using the power of ChatGPT and AI, it generates an email response specific to the customer's complaint, containing the incident ID. This is not a generic, standardized response, but a response that acknowledges the customer's concerns and assures Alan that the issue is being investigated. Finally, the automation creates an RE task for manual investigation. Leveraging ChatGPT and AI, the Automation Success Platform handles the customer's complaint in minutes, resulting in better customer satisfaction and faster response time. What will you automate next?